FlowLogic has a plate that is very complex, and you can do a lot of things in the plate. So we start from here. You can select all in Bell Selection, do the renaming obviously, copy the settings and paste the settings, and you can see from the setting that you copy you can decide what you would like to paste. So here we do a quick test, copy settings, go to the next plate and say paste setting, and we paste all the settings. You can see immediately plate 2 became the same of plate 1. We go on. You can open a plate from here, close the plate from here, so we close, double click and the plate can reopen. We can delete the plate, obviously. We can create a new plate if we want, and then we can delete the new plate. Very simple. We go to clone the plate. This is very useful because after you did clone your plate, plate 4 is a clone, you can go through and change all the settings and change what you display in your plate. So here we decide to display the singlet and we get the singlet. We go back to our, we can overlay the selectors. So if I select the two plate will get overlaid, and it's very simple to show. So 1, 2, select, overlay selected, and here you can see the plate is overlaid cell by cell. So we wait till it's finished. So this is 96 well plate, and take a while obviously to do the job. And when the plate finish, we can go on with the rest. You can build all the parameter combinations. So the meaning is when you click, you get all the parameters that are in the plate set up for you. So you go through, you get the number of plates with all the parameters. Then you can go through one by one and fix. So we can delete all the plates because we don't need all this plate. So we go back to our plate, and then you can export the plot and then copy and paste, and then take the plot wherever you want. You have PDF, SVG, JPEG, and you can copy and paste, copy the plot and paste in PowerPoint. So next function is here. Again, you can select all. You can see select all. You can embed selection, none, select none. Select cells and build an overlay with the cells that you select. So the wells that you want to build, the plot that you want to build, you can get an overlay. You can open a plot as a selection. We select these three, say plot, selection, and tac is opening your plot. And you can export your plate again. Show the compensation matrix if it exists, the compensation matrix. Move the compensation matrix, clear the selection, and you can show the wells. The wells have different formats. You can have circle, you can have square, you can large square, and you can fill. So if you like the fill one, here we go, and we copy setting, paste settings. Both of them now are the same. Well, from here we show the plot, and you show the plot, you can show the gates, show the color wells. If there are gates, you can see the gate, so the color well, so the background data set. So now we open the side row. In the side row we have all the settings: play dimension, direction. If you display the plots, you can see the full display of the plot. So when you click full display, the plots get in a full display. Show last plot. You can show axis or remove the axis. We can remove all the label and get just the picture if you want. Here we decide what you display, the selector level that you want to display. So if we change, we display just the parent, and we get the parent, and you can see here there are the gate, because and if you want the full data set, we can display the full data set. And here we go on with our display. In the second tab we have the title. We can again having the heat map, and you select again from whatever you want in the heat map. Here display selected, okay, and here is your heat map for what you display. You can, this heat map is set automatically, but if you remove the setting, you can add. There are all the functionality here: insert, before, remove, copy, set table. We like having the automatic set. Here we have the event count set as a statistic, but you can have any statistics, and this statistic is parametric. Obviously you have to identify one parameter. Here is the tables. So the tables has background functionality and foreground functionality. Here you can visualize your gate, because sometime in the table in the plate they are too small, and in this way you can visualize the gate in your data in a better way. Here you can do operation on plate. Here we can see all the outlier, and you can set different setting for all your outliers. Let's say we want 1%, instead of 0.5. We get 0.5 as a standard. And then here we have key functionality. So our plate display the key, and you can build your tag on selection. So you select, click tags, add the tags, remove the tags, do whatever you like. Okay, very simple, but in summary, this is what the plate is.